Hello everybody, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are keeping cool. I'm Zakaria Kaiser. This is my new another video. আজকের ভিডিওতে আমরা commonly used কিছু basic English এ advanced form শিখব। Okay, let's get started. Number 1, very soon. Very soon এর পরিবর্তে এখন থেকে advanced use করবেন in no time. In no time.
We'll be done in no time.
I'll be out in no.
Number 2, how are you? How are you এর পরিবর্তে আমরা ইউজ করতে পারি what's new অথবা how is it going? How is it going?
Hi Sheldon, what's new?
Hello, how's it going?
Number 3, I'm fine. I'm fine এর পরিবর্তে এখন থেকে ইউজ করবেন couldn't be better. Couldn't be better.
Couldn't be better.
Couldn't be.
Number 4, why are you so angry? Why are you so angry এর পরিবর্তে এখন থেকে আমরা ইউজ করব why are you so pissed off? Why are you so pissed off?
So pissed off.
Why are you so pissed off at me?
Number 5 হচ্ছে it's not difficult. It's not difficult এর পরিবর্তে আমরা ইউজ করতে পারি